In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a GoHighLevel email campaign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from a blank slate to a polished message that's ready to send or schedule. Before you begin, make sure your sending address is connected and your contact list is up to date so everything delivers smoothly. Start by opening your GoHighLevel account and heading to the marketing section. This is your launchpad for anything related to messaging and promotions. Once you're there, click on Emails. That takes you into the area where campaigns are created and managed. Next, click on Create Campaign. You'll be guided into a simple flow that helps you build your message from a foundation that looks professional right away. To speed things up, click on Email Marketing Templates. This library gives you a variety of starting points, from announcements to newsletters. Take a moment to browse through the templates. As you look around, think about your goal and the kind of layout that supports it. Clean, scannable designs with clear calls to action tend to perform best. When you found a good fit, click on Choose Template. Give the system a moment to load the editor. Once it opens, you can edit the template to your desire. Replace placeholder text with your own copy, update images, and adjust colors or buttons to match your brand. Keep paragraphs short, use compelling headlines, and make your primary call to action easy to find. If your audience is on mobile, check alignment and spacing so everything reads clearly on a small screen. When your content looks right, click on Preview. Review how the email will appear to your recipients. Look for typos, broken links, and formatting issues. It's also a great time to confirm that personalization tags, like names, render correctly. When you're satisfied, click on Send or Schedule. You have two options. If you're ready to go live, click on Send Now. This will immediately cue the campaign to your selected audience. If timing is important, click on Schedule. Choose the date and time that aligns with your recipient's time zones and typical open patterns. Finally, click on Review and Send. This last checkpoint lets you confirm details like the subject line, sender information, audience, and timing. Make sure everything matches your intention, then commit the send. That's it. You've set up a complete GoHighLevel email campaign, from selecting a template to customizing, previewing, and sending with confidence.